CROX stock analysis and CROX stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'm going to break down my exact play and everything. Crocs especially, I'm looking to definitely double down on it. Like, it's not in a way where I'm going to randomly buy, but look, because I've done 42,000 videos, I've seen what's made me money, what's not. You know, 42,000 videos and 5 years into the game. I mean, I can tell you even with certainty that you cannot see these previous drawings, maybe. And yeah, probably cannot. But this was like here beforehand, right? So here's that. And all I wanted, I mean, this sort of delivered. I mean, I quite like it. I mean, which I'm still going to keep it here, you know, bias-wise, phenomenal. So especially now, I know it's consolidating a lot, but I'm going to get rid of all that. Here's this, and only if there's a double break, I'm going to look to take it further up. Because like randomly buying, man, it's not going to be just happening. So if there is no sort of double break, then there is no sort of buying. Very simple, very straight to the point. So yeah, I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, I want to stay tuned with Crocs, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.